Today, we'll be installing one of MaxLite's Home Series Smart Advanced Power Strips. We'll begin by installing the Tuya app on your iOS or Android device. Next, we'll plug the Smart Advanced Power Strip in and wait for the app to detect its presence. Tap the Add button and follow the on-screen prompts to complete the pairing. When the strip is paired, the app will show the options available to control it. Here, we'll demonstrate our ability to control the devices plugged into the strip, either individually or all together. Please note, the two USB ports are not controllable and will be in an always-on state. We can also set schedules and timers by tapping the clock icon beneath each outlet's name. Finally, you can explore the Me section of the app to link the power strip with common smart home controls. We hope you enjoy using MaxLite's Smart Advanced Power Strip and the new level of control it provides in your home. Thanks for watching.